Hey, if you're doing any traveling outside of the country, this voltage converter is going to be your best friend. The brand did send this to me. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. So here's the voltage converter. This is what it looks like. The cord itself is about 5-6 feet long. It's lengthy. You're going to have 3 regular plugs. You're going to have 2 USB-C, a USB-A, and then you have this. Then you have a 4-amp USB-A as well. Here is your power. Comes with a regular US adapter, so you can use this in your house, but it just plugs in like this. Very simple. Now we'll go ahead and we're gonna plug this in just to demo here. It is plugged into the wall. We'll go ahead and turn it on. I wanna charge this phone. We're using a regular outlet. You can see we have the USB-C plugged in. When I plug this in, not only does it charge the phone, but it goes to super fast charging. They're giving you a type G adapter. They're giving you a type I adapter. They give you an entire list of countries that each of these are compatible in. So just look at the list and then you'll know what you're gonna need to do. Anything like a curling iron or a phone or similar devices. So that's what this is gonna be great for. Now you can't use like high powered devices with this. It'll blow the fuse. You won't be able to do that, but you really shouldn't be. This is more for like traveling, just getting power to the normal things that you're going to be carrying with you. You've got plenty of output, so just one outlet, and then you're going to be able to really you can do up to 7 devices at the same time on this because you've got 7 ports. If you want to switch over to any of the others, it's the same thing. The 2 prongs just slide in there and you're good to go. They're giving you this really nice carrying case. Everything fits in there nicely. We've got the main unit. We'll drop the adapters in there. I would recommend keeping the manual with that because that's gonna let you know which plug is gonna be used in which country. And you can just cinch it down and there you have it. So if you're doing any kind of traveling, definitely pick this up. It works great, super simple. The explanation on this is easy as well. Yeah, they did a good job with this one. So definitely pick it up, check it out. That is my quick review and thanks for watching.